Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we're gonna learn how to make our fortune cat. Yay! It's a very cute sculptures that everyone loves. And without further ado, let's start it. Now we're gonna pump out our 360, right? Just a little bit like this, okay? And you're gonna hold it and pump out our 260, right? This length, okay? And we're gonna just tie these two together. Okay, cut it off. That's the existing part as always. And right now we're gonna twist a bubble onto our 260 balloon, white. Okay, and we're gonna turn it into pastries. Pull and turn. Okay, once you've done that, we're gonna move on to our 360 white. Gonna twist a long bubble like this, okay, and we're gonna twist our 260 white a long bubble too. So how you're gonna gauge it is this part is slightly longer than the top one, so the 260 is longer than the 360. Okay, once you have this, you're gonna twist another bubble onto the 260 white and turn the 260 white into pastries. Okay, once you have done that, we're gonna attach our 360 into the pastries here. So you're just gonna pull everything and turn together like this. Okay, you should have something like that. Okay, once you've done that, we're gonna go back using the 360 to do the same size bubble here. I mean same size long bubble here. We're gonna measure, make sure it's same size, and you're gonna put them together, put them together and turn. Okay, which is something like that. And we can cut off our 360 balloon. You can reuse the 360 balloons again. Make sure you double secure it. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Once you've done this, we're gonna do the same thing for the 260. Then you go back to the other side. Same size, okay, turn together, and you should have something like that. Okay, the top part, the behind. Okay, once you're done, we're gonna do the ear of the cat. So we're gonna press our balloon a little like this. Okay, so you have a little bit allowance here if you can see. So when I put it towards the other side of the pastries here like this, okay, like this, and you're gonna twist a bubble. This is the size of the cat ear. Okay, twist a bubble. We're gonna connect it back down to the pastries. And you should have a very nice curve of ear here, and we're gonna do the same thing again. Push the air push the air back, and we're gonna go to the other side. So how we go to the other side is we just move it at either side here like this. Okay, if you can see a crisscross here, and we're gonna do the ear again. Make sure it's same size, if not it will be very weird. Okay. Done. Once you have both here, you can cut off the you can cut off the excess balloon. And that's our cat body here and face. Okay, once you have this, we're gonna draw our cat first because we need the inks to dry first. So we're gonna draw a cake here. I'll draw something like that. We'll draw a U shape here. Like this. Okay. Make sure it's center and color everything. Once you have that, we're gonna move on with our red color marker and we need to draw the nose. So make sure you note where is the center. And we're gonna just draw triangle like this. Just gonna draw a triangle like this, and then this part we're gonna draw the ear. Draw a curve shape like this. Okay, just make sure everything is nicely done. And we're gonna draw both ears. Share something like that. Okay. Once you have done this, you can adjust your two little pinch crease upwards. It's the little hand. Okay. This part we're gonna draw the paw with 3 lines. So you need to draw the mouth in a very curved, nice shape. Like this. And right now we're gonna move on to our gold color marker. You need to draw this early too if your marker is not that easy to dry. So oval shape for the coin here. Okay. Once you've done that, this marker will take a bit of time to dry, so we're gonna just continue drawing first. We're gonna take our black marker. We're gonna draw a very cute smiley face. A cute smiley face. And we're gonna draw the other side. Ta-da! We are done with this one. Okay, and this part we're gonna need our flusher. Sure it's nicely done. Okay. Like this. Okay, once we've done that, we're gonna take our black color marker again. You're gonna draw the whiskers, just 3 lines. And you should have something like that. Okay, once you have this, we're gonna take our white color marker. I'm gonna draw like a flowers type of pattern onto the green color part. Let me show you. Something like this. Like this, so you can see there's a flower thing. You can draw a few if you want, but usually I will draw it at the bottom of the green color part because this part usually I will add the bells and some sort of other things. Okay, once you are done with this, you're just gonna make sure the gold color is dry, but okay, it's not yet dry, so we're gonna move on with our red color balloons. We're gonna just use our mouth to blow it up like this and tie it. This will be the bracelet part and the collar part. So you're gonna just attach the red color balloons onto either of the pinch twists. Okay, so just gonna turn it in. Make sure it's secure like this. Okay, once you're done, you're gonna measure our red color band to the other side. Okay, and you're gonna connect to the other pinch twist. This part we'll just turn one round. Oops. Okay. Once you have done that, this part we don't cut away, we attach back to the first pinch twist that you attached it. But how do you attach it? Make sure you pull the end of the balloons and secure it in, so you have more allowance for the band that you're going to wear on your hair. Okay, you can choose to tie it too, so the band won't drop out easily. And done at the band. Okay. Once you've done this, we're gonna pump this up, or if you have a bell that can fit into the balloon, the bell, okay, you can take a bell. You can take a bell here. Here's the bell. Okay, here's the bell, and we're gonna slot it into the balloon like this. Okay, and we're gonna just pull it over or slide it like this. Once you have this, we're gonna make sure our hand, if you have a bell there, we're gonna make sure our hand hold in the middle so the bell doesn't move back up like this. Okay, the bell will move around if you never grab on it. Okay, the bell, just nice, the bell no sound. Yeah, the bell no sound. Oops. Okay. Once you have it, the bell is inside. You tie facing the balloon down so the bell doesn't go back up. Okay, so this part, right, we'll try to make more allowance at the front like this. Okay, there's a lot of allowance here, so we're gonna twist a bit. Okay, so there's like a knot here, and we're gonna make sure our bell is at the bottom, and we're gonna twist a bubble. Okay, don't need to be very big, maybe just nice for the fortune cap. If you think it's too big, you can always go smaller, because everyone's preference is different. Okay. Okay. Once I have the size I want, I'm just gonna tie them up. I'm gonna push back the air from the other side like this, and I'm gonna just tie them up. Once I tie that up, I'm gonna tie a second knot. Make sure the air is inside. Once I have this, I'm gonna cut it off, but not too short. So I have both allowance. This part, if you want to cut it off, also can. Okay, so there's two allowance at the back. And once you have this, we're gonna take one of the string here and attach into one of the pinch twists. Like this. And the other part will connect to the other pinch twist. Just make sure the bell is in the middle. Okay, you should have something like that. And you're gonna adjust a little, like this. And we're gonna hide the yellow part with the red ones. Okay, just gonna adjust a bit. Like this. This one. Okay, for the bell, we're gonna take our black color marker. We're gonna draw a circle below like this. If you can see, and I'm gonna draw one line here. And for this part, we're gonna draw our Chinese wording. If you don't want to, you can always remove the gold color part and not to add it. So firstly, we will write a slant here. Okay, a slant. This is what we call qian. Then we have 1. Then we have flare. So we have 1,1 there. Yeah. And we are done. As you can. And we are done. You can hear the bell. It's just a bonus point if you have the bell. If you doesn't have, it's okay. I feel it's nice this way also too. So I hope you guys like it. Please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any balloons that you want to learn, please let me know and I will try to make time for it. And hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.